this is Bethany from Southern Couture, and today I have a really fun video that I want to make sure you don't miss out on this really cool opportunity. And so some of you may know this little guy and some of you may not. So wherever you are in this beginner or expert crafting world, I hope that it will just give you some inspiration on your own crafts and your own projects. This is the Cricut Maker. The Cricut Maker, if you have never heard of it, is a cutting and crafting machine. I say crafting as well because the Cricut, does all these cool things with cutting out lots of different materials, and they've had lots of different machines, and the Maker, they've just upped their game majorly. And so you can do a lot more with the Maker. You can engrave, you can do debossing, you can cut out like leather and chipboard and all these things that we never thought we could do. Now you can with the Cricut Maker. And so look at this. This is so pretty. It's going to just open up and raises on its own, and then it pops down the bottom. So cool. Just really, really neat. But what I love about it is what I just told you. It is so capable, so many capabilities with it. And I think you're going to love it, because if you have been wanting one or you know someone that does, now's the perfect time to grab one before Christmas. They are having a huge sale over at Cricut. I have a link down below where you can grab a special Maker bundle that they have going on right now. Now, the bundle is going to come with a Maker machine and a tote, and it's a tote that you can carry it in so you can travel with it. If you wanted to take it to another friend's house and have a little crafting fun or a girls' night, it would be great for that. The Maker bundle it's already discounted, but they are going to give you another $75 off, which is insane, when you use the coupon VIP Maker. So VIP Maker, just enter that at checkout. You'll get $75 off. There will be, like I said, the link is down below where you can grab yours and just put that coupon code in. Now it'll be in different colors. It's gonna have like a rose color machine, a lilac, kind of purpley color, and then a blue, and then a kind of coordinating tote to go with each of those. So I love the Maker. Like I said, it can do so much. They have, first of all, you'll see just a little bit of the storage space that's down here. I keep all of my different tools. That's what this thing did. When they created Maker, it took it a notch above with this adaptive tool system. So you can take out your tools here. You can switch them out and do tons of things. Like I have this little wavy knife blade to cut with. This one right here is their scoring blade. So you can do so much with it. But I'm going to just share a few little projects that I have made with the Maker. And I will have links down below if you want the tutorials for any of the projects I'm going to show. They'll be on my blog. Also, there's a blog post today that's talking in more detail about the Maker, why I love it so much. And it has a few more projects than just the ones I'm showing here. So make sure you check that out down below. Now, Christmas is coming, and so look at this fun little guy. How sweet is that? I made this little beauty with the Cricut Maker. You wouldn't believe it. I mean, it looks store-bought, like one of those little felt envelopes. How cute is that? So I've cut the felt out with the Maker. They have a knife blade. They have a deep point or deep cut blade that you can use, and I made the envelope, cut it out. This is fusible fabric that I ironed right onto it, and I cut out the fabric with the Maker. That's insane to me. This side is also the fabric that I just lined the envelope with and glued it together. And then all of this right here is the iron-on vinyl that I also cut out with it. One other thing that I did that I don't have it right now is I made these little letters to Santa where your kiddos could fill out a letter to Santa. The letter is on a nice little cardstock, and the Cricut Maker, using pens, I didn't use these colors, but using pens that I put in the tool system, it scribbled, or it drew out lines, a Santa Claus, the Dear Santa, and all that. So all your kiddos have to do is just fill in the note card. So make sure you head over, like I said, down below, there'll be a link to the tutorial if you have a Maker or you grab this one and you want to do this for Christmas. I love it because I think it would be fun each year to have, you could have an envelope for each child, and then have you know, just have a new piece of stationery each year and keep them all in here as a little collectible when they get older, and you can see all their Christmas wish lists every year. So fun. So that's one project. Another project that I made were these little traveler's notebooks. They're like notebook covers, and they are cut out of leather. I couldn't believe it when I did it. I was like, let's see if this really works. And the Cricut Maker did it. It cut out the leather. It cut out my little leather straps. So I'm going to have the tutorial. I love traveler's notebooks. And the fact that I can make my own cover out of leather. This was a Revival Camp devotional that I did last year. How cool is that? Okay. It even cut out the little holes here so that I could put this embroidery ribbon through and have that extra little detail. And then I added my pages in or whatever. But I love that it cut out the leather for me. I did it on several different little notebooks, so I was obsessed with it, and I still am, because I just can't believe it'll do leather. And then another thing it will cut is chipboard. So if you want to make an album, a little flip book, how cool is this? So it is chipboard, and you'll see on the inside I left it, there's the chipboard, and then I just covered it with some scrapbook paper from Cricut, and so it is so cool. I put like these envelopes, of course, are cardstock that I cut out using the Cricut. All of the pages, these are little like pockets that I made and put them in this mini album that I haven't used yet. All of that was made with the Cricut, cutting out chipboard, okay? So how fun is that? It could even cut out fabric if you wanted. It's like the possibilities really are endless. And now they have a quick swap tool system where you can just change off the end and you are ready to go, changing it up to engrave or do whatever it is that you want to do. I did engrave leather before. That project's over on the blog, so you've got to go check out my blog post today to see more about these goodies. But again, if you want the Maker bundle with the Maker machine and the tote, head over to Cricut. The link is down below, and just make sure you use that code VIP Maker, and that is going to get you another $75 off the already discounted price. So I just think it's a fun deal that I wanted to share with y'all, because I've had some of you say, ooh, tell me more about the Maker, or I'm interested, what all does it do, that kind of thing, and you've been really curious. And so if you are ready to dive in, this is a great time to do it, or let your spouse know for Christmas so Santa can get ordering. Also, if you know someone that would love to have this machine, share this with them and let them know too before the deal runs out. I'm not sure when the deal will actually end. I know that they're running it right now, and hopefully until their inventory is sold out. So don't wait. Think about it, but don't wait, and grab your Cricut Maker today. If you have any questions about the Cricut Maker, just leave them down below. I'll be more than glad to answer those for you. And make sure you check out that post again if you want any tutorials for these little fun goodies that I have made before. And make sure you're subscribed. Click the bell icon so you'll get notified when the next video comes out. I'll see y'all again very soon. Bye-bye.